An old cowboy once said, "The trail does not care how fast you travel, only that you keep your horse pointed in the right direction." Today, we'll be heading in the right direction by installing Ranch Hand Midnight 6-step running steps on this 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. These are the tools necessary to complete the job. We'll get started by removing these stock running boards. It would be wise to use a spray lubricant to soak down all of the fasteners on the running board brackets like we have done. Then use a 12mm socket and ratchet to remove the nuts fastening the brackets to the threaded body studs. Repeat this on all brackets. When you get to the last one, leave one nut on loosely so that the board doesn't slip off before you're ready to take it off.
I almost got trampled. Well, where's dinner?
When you're ready, remove the nut and take off the board. Repeat this same process on the opposite running board. Now, unpack your ranch hand steps and identify the correct orientation they will mount to the truck. For our longer running steps, the third, smaller step is orientated towards the rear of the truck. For all other steps, make sure the brand logo is located towards the front driver and passenger doors. With the help of a trusted amigo, carefully lift the steps into position and place the brackets over the threaded body studs. Loosely fasten the brackets to the studs with the included M8 flange nuts.
This is like shooting fish in a rain barrel.
These brackets are slotted for adjustment. Adjust your boards to your liking and then tighten the flange nuts. You can now lift the other steps into place on the opposite side. Loosely install the flange nuts and make your adjustment. Start tightening the nuts on the rearmost brackets first. Then, tighten the flange nuts on the foremost bracket, and finally finish the job by tightening down the middle bracket. The flange nuts should be torqued to 15 foot-pounds.
GW. Drago.
That was pretty darn easy. Not any more trouble than a summer breeze. Let's install the matching bumpers next. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit us at ranchhand.com. Protect what you love